How to fix Facebook Lite not opening or not working on Android? This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get Facebook Lite running normally again. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Facebook Lite app icon. Then tap the Info or I button to go to App Info. After that, tap on Force Stop at the bottom and tap OK to confirm. This completely shuts down the app and stops anything running in the background that may be causing the issue. From there, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files. At this point, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. In the next step, go through the list and make sure all necessary permissions are set to Allow. Following this, go back to App Info and tap on Battery. Once done, make sure the battery setting is set to Optimized or Unrestricted, so the app is not being limited in the background. From here, go back to your home screen and long press on the power button. Finally, tap on Restart and confirm. Once your device is back on, open Facebook Lite and it should now open and work normally. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix Facebook Lite not opening, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.